In this video, I will show you how to automate your Gmail replies with AI. So the first thing you're gonna need to do is go to Zapier and search for zapier.com and then click on create and then click on Zaps and then click on trigger and then search for Gmail. Click on Gmail and then once it's connected, go ahead and click on choose an event and click on new email here. And then connect your account here. So for me, my account is already connected. So here you're gonna need to do to create your account. Then click on continue and then click on inbox here. Then click on continue. And then once it's done, wait for it and then click on test trigger. And then you will choose here. So I will choose email C and then click on continue. And then search for ChatGPT. So this is the next for action. And then choose ChatGPT. So once it's connected, choose an event here. And then choose the prompt. Search for prompt. And then click on send prompt. And then select an account to connect. So here, I already have the save account. So to connect a new account, you need an IPA key. So if you don't have, create the IPA key, click on it and then once you go here, click on create new secret key and then name on it and then click on create secret key. Then after that, once your account is connected, here, click on continue and then you will type your prompt here. So here I will type my prompt. So your job is to help me reply email messages. So once it's done, so the email title is, I will click on plus sign and then choose subject. And then in email sender is, I will choose from name and then click on continue, then click on test step. And then after that, I will click the plus sign. This is the final step and click on Gmail and then I will choose an event which is the create draft and then click on continue and then in here I will click the plus sign and click the new email and then I will choose from email and then in subject I will choose the subject and then in this, I will choose my account. So here you will type your name here and then you will choose if plain or HTML in body type and then in body and then click on continue. So that's it. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe.